Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Today I'm going to show you how to create a simple and natural air freshener using just 2 ingredients: uncooked rice and your favorite essential oil or perfume. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Grab a container. This could be a pot, a bowl, or even a cute jar. Fill it nearly to the top with regular uncooked rice. This is the base of our air freshener. Now, on to step 2. Add a few drops of your favorite essential oil or fragrance directly onto the rice. I love butterfly pea for a relaxing vibe. Give it a good mix to infuse that delightful scent into the rice. Step 3. Find a cozy spot in your bathroom to place your rice container. Not only will it smell amazing, but the rice will also help absorb excess moisture, perfect for that steamy environment. Now, keep an eye on your air freshener. Every 3 to 4 weeks, or if you see it clumping up, it's time to replace the rice. This ensures your space stays fresh and fragrant. And guess what? You can use this rice-based air freshener in other areas of your home too. Whether it's your living room, bedroom, or kitchen, it's a simple, natural way to enhance the ambience anywhere. So, there you have it. A quick and easy way to create a fresh atmosphere using common household items. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun DIY tips. Until next time, stay fresh.